Scene 1. The Crisis. Performed in boardroom table, projection screen, and a very tense atmosphere.
Three major contracts lost in 60 days, and each time Nexora Corp swoops in with an eerily similar proposal. Coincidence?
We can't afford this at this rate. The board might put funding in our innovation rate.
Someone is feeding them our internal data. This is deliberate. This is treason.
I have checked the firewalls. No external outbreaks. It's internal.
But no, everyone went through the security clearance.
We were pitching that green energy model for months. Nexora's copy was almost identical.
Can't go on like this. Morale is dropping. Clients are asking questions.
Someone exchange our share price from inside.
It's time to use what most forget Kautilya's wisdom. When trouble arises inside the kingdom, the king must act like a silent fire in the wind. Meera, you are our silent fire.
Scene 2. A Shadow Awakens. Meera, the quiet and sharp internal auditor, receives a sealed envelope marked Protocol K Neha.
Kautilya trains spies to observe, unfiltrate, and never reveals their truth motives and cannot strike until the truth is known.
Neha, a confident intern, is welcomed by HR.
Neha, welcome all. You will shadow our department head. See how tough thing and Mama, I'm excited to learn.
Veda, a slight glance, she noticed it mentally. Scene 3. Doubts and Whispers. Meera subtly follows movement. Conversations reveal tensions.
They are watching us now. Heard the security got upgraded. Even the printer logs are being checked out.
I think Anjali is hiding something. Why is she so protective of that human colony?
There are 4 types of traitor. Arjun was the scared one. Fear makes man careless.
Yeah, I have access, but you promised no heat. They are sniffing around now.
Bait lead in HR department and security room. Meera and Neha coordinate. Neha creates a fake confidential project brief, leave it accessible, security watches.
If anyone accesses that file without clearance, we will know.
Hesitating, looking around, then plugging in a USB. Scene 5. The Takedown, which is performed in conference room. Next morning, Arjun called into a briefing. Everyone is present.
Everyone gather in conference room as soon as possible. There is something you all should see.
Video of Arjun accessing file, logo of file transfer, call records.
The data theft was traced by Arjun Malhotra. We also traced the communication to Nexora's director of ops.
I didn't need to. They promised me a promotion, but I was overlooked for months.
And so you say sold us out?
You let personal pride sink our future. You are terminated effective immediately. Legal will take over.
Security escorts him out. Silence follows. Scene 6. Truth reveal in CEO's office. CEO Aryan, Ria, and Meera debrief.
So Neha was planted by me. She's trained, well observed everything, and she helped bait her.
You executed this like a true discipline of Kautilya.
He would say, the king shall employ secret agents to keep him informed. We did just that.
Scene 7. The king speaks. All staff gathering. Employees gathered. Aryan addresses them with calm authority.
have faced betrayal, but from it we rise stronger. From today, we initiate the Arthashastra protocol. Every leader will be accountable, loyalty will be earned, ethics mandatory. In Orange Limited, power is not position, it's integrity.
Crowd nods, some clap, Nina watches from the back, then quietly exit. Mission complete. Final frame. A ruler must be as watchful as the owl, as fierce as the lion, and as wise as the serpent.